Hey guys, it's Matt from Motor City Community Credit Union, your man on the open streets. And this year we've got something pretty cool happening during Open Streets. It's actually Doors Open. And with me is Frank. Frank, can you tell me a little bit about Doors Open?
Sure. Doors Open is an event that happens every 2 years in the city. And what it is basically an opportunity for the general public to come into buildings that they normally probably see every day and they wouldn't normally be able to get into. So it's their one chance of going into these buildings. But as part of that this year, we have 3 walking tours that are going to be put on by St. Clair College students along the road of open streets.
Awesome, and where are those locations going to be?
So this year we're doing 3 walking tours. St. Clair College students will be set up along the open streets route. One is in Ford City along Drouillard Road. The other one is in Walkerville, where we're standing here today. That's on Devonshire Road, just off of Wyandotte. And the other location, of course, is in the West End in Sandwich. That's going to be on the corner of Sandwich Street and Mill Street. We'll be doing a walking tour of that area of the city.
Great, I can't wait to check out some cool older buildings, and I'll see you on the open streets.